Hello guys, welcome. We are going to see that how to make a professional resume using different keywords from scratch. So let's go to our browser and open the key points first of all. We'll have access to these key points which we have stored. Okay, once you have access to these key points, this particular spreadsheet over here, you will see there's a prompts option down below over here. So there are different prompts you can use. So for now I want to use um, let's say this prompt, master prompt 3. So the title here is to create perfect ATS friendly software QA tester resume points. Goal here is to create 5 distinct resume points for 5 different software QA testers, each living in the United States. These points should be highly effective and professional. Alright, so here the instructions ChatGPT needs to follow is I am providing the keywords below. These keywords should align with the experience and skills of a software tester. Okay, there is also a point mentioned over here: manual testing keywords, automation testing keywords. Both are different. So we can provide manual testing keywords and automation testing keywords separately in the same prompt. So let's try this first. Let's select the prompt, Control C to copy, go to ChatGPT, we'll create a new chat, cut this master prompt area till this point, scroll down, let's see how it works. So here in the manual testing keywords part, select these key points because these were updated previously. There were some more key points added later on. So these are the key points. Let's copy. Okay, I've copied the manual testing key points. Now I'll just paste it over here. See, here, start here, and it ended over here. So this goes the manual keywords and the automation. Do the same thing. Just select the keywords, not the title like automation part or these things. Only the keywords. Copy, Control C, go here and Control V, paste it. Now after pasting it, you need to separate these two lines. See, after AWS the below line came up, so just press shift and enter together, then it will take it to the next line. Please provide the keywords. Now it seems better. Okay, now with this prompt, let's see what we can do. Hit enter. Right, so professional summary, this could be a good line for professional summary, this bullet point. For roles and responsibilities under different clients, we can use these bullet points, taking one by one. Okay, so the goal here I set for ChatGPT is to create 5 distinct resume points for 5 different software QA testers. That is why it is giving me separate bullet points for QA tester candidate 1, candidate 2, 3, 4, and 5. Um, okay. For the professional summary, everyone has the same tools, as you can notice: regression testing, system integration, GUI testing, functional, and these things. Here, in the professional summary, it is written differently, but the tools are the same. Okay, collaborated developers. Okay, let me know. So, if we want to create a whole new resume, first of all, we'll find different resumes in our database. You can just select any previous candidate's resume and open it like this, just so we know what is the format. So this is the usual format. First comes the name, then the visa status, contact info. We can also add LinkedIn URL here as well. First starts with professional summary. Then there's a technical skill area over here. Then comes the professional experiences. These will be the project descriptions under different clients. Suppose here there is a client named TD Bank, where the position of our candidate was QA Automation Engineer 3. So these lines mean the candidate's job, role, and responsibilities at TD Bank as a QA Automation Engineer. So next on, there's another client, Prime Therapeutics. Position was Automation Engineer. Same for the third client. We'll try to keep it at least minimum to 3 clients. If we had more number of experience years on the top over here, like 10 years. For 10 years, 3 clients are suitable. If there are more number of total experience, such as 12 years or 13 something, we could use 4 clients as well, 4 to 5 clients. Okay, so now our goal is to create this type of resume using the bullet points given by ChatGPT. We'll also humanize those human points, because it will be easily caught if they are scanned by AI. So we have to make that sure after getting all the bullet points. For now, we need to focus on creating the bullet points first. So how can we create the bullet points? Let's see. Going back to ChatGPT. Okay. Okay, so here, if I focus, ChatGPT has given me some professional summary bullet points and also some roles and responsibilities related bullet points as project descriptions, but it has only used those keywords that were mentioned specifically on the top of the prompt, like these: regression, system integration, these ones. So maybe I have to put like 5 to 6 keywords like this every time to generate this kind of project descriptions. Okay, so let's try to use that in another way. Okay, let me copy prompt number 2. Paste the prompt. put the common keywords. If I take common keywords, let's say common keywords would be this second line. Okay, taking the second line as common keywords. Okay. Let's hit enter. Okay. Now, as you can see, this time using the prompt number 2, in case of project description, it is not giving me multiple bullet points. It is only giving me only one bullet point containing the all the key, keywords mentioned. But I don't want that. I want multiple keywords. So multiple bullet points for roles and responsibilities, but a single bullet points for professional summary, including all the keywords. So for that, my first prompt was doing a better job. So it was the prompt number 3. Let's say I take prompt number 3 again. Put the prompt number 3 here. Now, in place of these keywords, let's switch them with the second line of keywords, like these ones. Let's copy them all, first of all. Okay. To make it a bit easier, I can split my screen. Let's say if I split my screen, okay, this makes the job more easier. I'll take one keyword, replace it here, right? So let's do this one by one. Might take a little bit much time, but this should be easier. TL, TL, Trish, no, compatibility, this one. Okay, there is Oracle. Oracle compatibility. There is MySQL. Cut off the rest. Now, let's see what results do ChatGPT give me. Hmm. right? Professional summaries and roles and responsibilities have been given. They want separate roles and responsibilities. As like this one. So where did I make the change for the first command? Let's see. This was the command, right? All I did was change the manual testing keywords and automation testing keywords accordingly. Okay. So I got more bullet points to use for these keywords. Alright. So like this, in the same manner, I can create as many bullet points as I need using the same prompt. Let's say I use this prompt again. Copy, paste it in the area of keywords. I will select keywords one by one from here. There's another way to do this. If I select all of these together, suppose I paste and remove the other ones. Paste, remove this one and the other one. Same here. In any way that you can save your time. Right. Okay, these were the keywords. Let's cut off the rest. Now, let's see what comes here. Okay. Okay, so if you read the lines a little bit over here, so this particular line refers to an e-commerce domain like Amazon or Walmart, eBay. If a QA tester has experience on such domains, under the client might be Walmart, may be Amazon. Under Amazon's job role and description, we can put this keyword, but we cannot put like this keyword, like played a key QA role in financial services. Amazon is an e-commerce domain, not a financial domain, but an e-commerce domain. Financial domain would be like banking websites or applications. So I cannot simply use this keyword, I mean this bullet point, under Amazon's job role and description. I have to put this bullet point under a client that comes from a domain like TD Bank or Citibank. This bullet point will be suitable under that client. And if I am talking about Amazon or eBay, something like that, this point will be suitable. As we have seen in an example resume of another candidate, there are different clients mentioned over here, right? So TD Bank is a financial domain. Prime Therapeutics is an insurance domain. And Infinite Computer Solutions and insurance. This is also an insurance plus IT domain, basically. So you have to read each bullet point to know where to put each bullet points. You cannot make mistakes over here. So once we are done making bullet points using all these keywords mentioned over here, we can now select and organize all the bullet points accordingly, like this resume. And once we are done, then we will come to the next part, that will be scanning the AI. We will see that in the next video. For now, we will end this video here. Thank you so much.